you. I'm celebrity menswear stylist Ashley Weston, and I finally wanted to give you an update on our new home. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that we have been in renovations for the last few months. It was only supposed to last a month, but you know how renovations go. So what, 3 or 4 months later, we finally just moved in. We actually moved in the day after we got home from our wedding. So first off, we have the beautiful kitchen, which I am in love with. It makes me so happy, especially this big island. Again, if you follow me on Insta stories, then you know that this slab, which is 9.5 feet long by 4.5 feet wide, had to be carried up a ton of flights by 6 guys, and this is like a 600 or 800 pound slab. It wouldn't fit in our service elevator, and there was no way I was going to compromise and cut this slab in half or shorten it. I wanted this island length, and I got it. So this is a very, very appreciated piece, and I can't wait to host a ton of dinner parties here and just have family and friends all gathered around while I cook on this beautiful cooktop. So we're really used to gas cooktops, so this was a first. It's an induction cooktop, and we started testing it out. It boils water in literally 2 minutes. It is crazy, so I love it. I just love how sleek it all is. Oh wait, gotta turn this off. There we go. I'm still getting used to how to operate this. So then we have this beautiful backsplash, which actually Dorian picked out. So it's like this bluish green kind of ombre color. Depending on what time of day, it looks like a different color. Sometimes it looks black, sometimes it looks gray, but it's bluish green. It's to match actually the island color that you'll see in a minute. So the kitchen is the centerpiece of our entire place. So we really wanted to make sure it was clean, sleek, but also was a statement, which is why we chose this beautiful bluish green color. We have the brass metals to help complement and really pop out the color of the cabinets. Oh, by the way, these are not our stools. These are from our old place, but they won't be the stools that we end up using. We just haven't found the ones we like. But what I really love about this island is all the storage. We have a ton of storage in here. These are all of our appliances, cooking appliances. Then let's move on to the floors. So these may look like fancy wood floors, but they are actually wood-like porcelain floors. So I'm really excited about our living room because it was definitely a huge transformation. So we had these 2 columns here. They were super wide, basically double the size that you currently see. So we had them slim. I think it turned out beautifully. We just put Christmas decorations up for now. We still have to do the decor of it, but we've got this beautiful TV, which I love. So it's from Samsung. It's called the Frame. And basically when your TV is off, instead of it just being a black rectangle, it actually turns into artwork. So you could choose any super famous piece of art and have it displayed on here. And so it's just a really cool, I think, feature. All right, so and then as far as the couch goes and the rest of the furniture, it was really important for Dorian to have a couch that he could stretch out on because he's 6'3". So we need something that's big enough and deep enough where I can also cuddle as well. So we've got this big piece of delicious heaven here. All right, so let me show you the guest bathroom. So this used to be covered all in disgusting yellow tile. So we ripped it all out and just had this we had a blank canvas, so we wanted to do all white with these beautiful honeycomb marble flooring. And then I wanted a pop of color, a slight pop of color with the cabinet. So I have this bluish gray color here with all matte black hardware because yeah, we have brass in the living room and in the kitchen. I just didn't want to have brass everywhere. So I chose matte black for all the hardware. We got this huge mirror, as you can see. It's massive. And then these 2 wall sconces, which just kind of help complete this entire look. So let me show you the guest bedroom, which is really nothing because we have not finished this. I still need to put a door on the closet. So please don't look, it's terrible looking right now. But basically a pull-out sofa will be here so that when we have guests over, we can they can pull out the sofa and use it. And then when guests stay, we actually have this partition. These are like little pocket doors, which are cool because they're full-length mirrors. So these all stack on one another to create a little bit of privacy for whoever ends up staying here. Okay, so let's take you over to this area. Our Christmas tree, of course. So this area is all Dorian. It's all for Dorian. He really wanted, when we first moved in, he's like, you know, Ash, I really want a reading nook. I want to be able to just have a space where I could sit down, read my Sunday New York Times, and just relax. And so we felt like this was the perfect area for him to do so. So we call this the reading nook or the library. This bookshelf we had built in, and we're gonna add a ton of books, basically floor to ceiling. All the shelves will be lined with books. So I wanted to make sure that whatever piece of furniture that we put in this area, that it sat lower down so that it didn't impede on the view, and I just didn't want it to feel so imposing. So we played with velvet fabrics and leather textures. So I think it actually turned out really masculine but comfortable at the same time. We have a faux fur rug down here. It's like a cow skin, which is super soft. Okay, so moving on to where all the magic happens, the master bedroom. I'm just gonna turn on the lights here. It's really actually bare in here because we've just moved in, but we've got this beautiful velvet bed frame. It's like this bluish teal color. It's French velvet. That is super soft. I just wanted to add some softness into the room. Okay, so let's head into the master bathroom. Now, before I get into all the things that we did to this place, because it was quite the transformation, I just want to thank the people at Bevel. They made this video possible, and I really love the shave kits. So whether you are a woman wanting to get a gift for the man in your life or just a man, you should definitely own this shave kit. It comes with some pre-shave oil, then you've got the aftershave, and then of course you've got the shaving cream, but then you've also got all of this good stuff. So the brush, the razor as well. Dorian's actually been testing it out for a while now, and he's a huge fan of it. So just want to say thank you to Bevel, and I put a link in the description below for you guys to check them out. All right, so let's get into everything we did. Now, let's start with the floors. The floors are the same like the guest bathroom. They are this beautiful marble honeycomb design. We've got this charcoal color for the cabinet, and then this is one we did use. It's actually not a brass color, it's champagne bronze. So then we've got all of these champagne bronze finishes here. We've got this awesome medicine cabinet, which stores a ton of stuff. I really love that there's an electrical outlet inside. And then we have this walk-in, our amazing bidet toilet by Toto. Dorian and I are both huge fans of bidets. So this one is awesome. It has a dryer option. So once you hose yourself down, you can actually dry yourself. And then the seat is heated, which I love. Then we have this walk-in shower, which is great. I love this transition, by the way. I just want to point this out. This is very difficult to do. I didn't want a shower curb at all. I just don't think it's a clean design. So it was quite difficult to make sure that we could have a seamless transition from the bathroom floor into the shower floor. Lastly, we had this empty space here, so we decided to put a laundry bin in here to just hide our laundry. And that's really it in terms of our place. I cannot wait for you guys to see it once it's completed. For now though, I just wanted to at least give you a sneak peek, even though it's a little bare, but you know, at least that you guys got to see pretty much where it's 98% done. So I hope you enjoyed our home tour, the latest update on our renovations. Thank you so much to Bevel for really allowing us to do this video and putting it out. Definitely pick up your shave kits. We wouldn't promote anything that we didn't love. It's in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I can't wait to show you the finished product of our beautiful home. All right, bye guys.